Attleboro High School. I'm Lalenthika.
And I'm Lily. Welcome back to the Rocket Report, and thank you for joining us on this tranquil Tuesday.
Well, Lily, it sounds like it's going to be a great day today, isn't it?
Yep, it's going to be pretty warm.
That's all we got. Now over to sports.
Victories within the mile. Almost there, don't give up now. Only thing that's on my mind is who won.
Why? Because, you know, we need a new name every single time.
No, I know why you interrupted me. Why'd you
Because I
interrupt
just
me,
thought of
Brady?
this
Why'd you
name.
interrupt me?
Okay, fine, go. Go.
I was gonna say good
You're so
morning.
important.
You know, everybody is gonna be nice, and you gotta scream at them. But anyway, Donnie, you have a take for us
got a
today.
take.
Do you guys think you've seen every minute on a clock? Like physically look, it could be your phone, a clock, but you have to look at it and see the time.
No. I don't think so. No.
Nah, I definitely
Just because of the night.
There's
Just
like one or two numbers that I'm missing.
really.
Just one or two.
Are you like?
Yeah.
Are you up like? Are you up like late a lot?
Yeah, like sometimes.
See, cause like I feel like from the period of like midnight to like 3 a.m. I don't.
No, I definitely have all those.
Nah, I
I think it's like something in 4 a.m. that I'm missing.
see.
Or late 3 maybe, early 4.
Oh, wait, you're talking about like every single hour and every minute. Well, I
Yes.
mean, you'd only have to worry about like half of it because once you see the first half on a clock, the other
No,
half doesn't
all-
matter. So
both
AM
sides.
and
A-
PM?
AM and
sides,
PM.
both sides.
What do you mean both
But like
sides?
AM,
okay,
PM.
You don't forget
Yeah.
about it. Forget
Like,
it.
have you seen
Okay.
every minute from 3
Okay.
a.m. to 4 a.m.? Have you seen every minute from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.?
Oh,
like,
definitely.
no.
I pulled 3 all-nighters back to back when I was in the
but
fifth
like, are
grade.
you
I
looking at the
definitely.
time?
great.
Are you looking at the
Yes.
time? You're looking at every single minute go by.
Bro, when you do all-nighters, you do some weird things. I
You're
gotta
just
tell
looking
you.
at a clock with an all night. You're just
Dude,
looking at the
I
clock.
was 10.
I feel like you don't look at the clock when you're like staying up late, because like you're either you're staying up late because you can't sleep, but you're not probably looking at the clock if you can't sleep. If you're trying to go to sleep and you can't sleep, you're probably not straight looking at the clock. Maybe you're scrolling.
Counter argument.
Right,
I
but,
was
like,
10.
It doesn't
Well,
matter.
yeah.
Yes, it
Because,
does.
Like, I feel like, or you're doing something that's keeping you awake that you're like preoccupied. That you're not gonna look at the time. I feel like you look at the time. I feel
So
like
have you ever played a
daytime-
video game that has a clock in the corner?
I feel like, are you
Well,
looking
yeah,
at the
like,
clock
if
for
you're
every
on your
single
phone,
minute?
the
Are you-
clock's in the
It's
corner.
actively on the thing.
You're
I don't
trying to
have-
play the video
I don't have
game.
to act. Okay, but it's
Are you-
actively on the
Even
screen.
if you're scrolling, it's in the corner.
It's a part of you being stimulated.
Every single
Exactly.
minute. Okay, every single minute. You're playing a video game, right? You're looking at the clock every.
Okay,
single minute.
no.
Really?
No. But think of it this way: I'm not actively like, oh, let me stop playing the game to look at the clock. But if there's like a
you
big
can
green
just
square in the
glance
top
up.
left
You just
corner,
glance up.
if you're playing a video game, imagine there's a green screen in the top left corner of the thing. And you notice that green screen, is that not going to be seen by you for the rest of the gameplay experience?
I feel like you missed a few minutes. You would have missed a few minutes there. You wouldn't have seen every single minute.
That has to be rage bait.
It's not rage
You're not.
bait. It's
How
not
would you
rage.
know what fifth grade me was going through 8 years ago?
How would you know what fifth grade?
Because I lived it. Because I experienced it.
How
It
did
was
you-
my
How
life.
did you know exactly what it is? Actually, you should probably let.
Because it was a big part of my life. It was 3 nights in a row of me staying awake and doing
Yeah,
nothing.
wait, why would you do that?
Why? Because I hate myself. Because I hated my sleep schedule back then. I was a horrible sleeper.
Well, that's all we have on Hot Takes. Now over to the morning announcement.
Now it is time for the morning announcement. Thank you guys so much for that. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and it is a day 6. The order of the periods is 6, 7, flex, 1, 2, 3. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for lunch, you'll find out at the cafeteria.
Juniors and seniors, it's time to sign up for your prom tables. Table signups will take place during lunch today, April 28th through Friday, May 1st. Please send one person per table to complete the Google form with the senior class officer and/or advisor. Tables seat 10 people. Groups with fewer than 10 will be combined with another table.
Attention seniors, this Friday, May 1st, be sure to stop by the senior pit outside between periods 1, flex, 2, 3, or 4 to put your handprint on the window and leave your mark.
Attention juniors, for those of you who submitted essays for this year's Boys State and Girls State program, interviews will be held this coming Wednesday, April 29th at the Elks Hall at 7 p.m. Be sure to dress appropriately.
Join us for a delicious way to support the class of 2027. Stop by Chick-fil-A today, April 28th from 5 to 8 p.m. and enjoy your favorite meal while giving back. A portion of all sales during this time will be donated to the class of 2027 to help fund upcoming events and activities. Order online or in person, but be sure to mention that you're there to support the class of 2027. Bring your friends, family, and appetite. Every bite makes a difference. Thank you for your support.
The class of 2026 is hosting a fundraiser at North Bowl on Wednesday, May 6th from 6 to 8 p.m. For $20 for seniors wearing their senior shirt and $25 for underclassmen, enjoy a night of bowling, including shoes, pizza, and a soda. Sign up at the prom table from Tuesday, April 28th through Friday, May 1st. We hope to see you there.
Are you interested in having your artwork showcased in the art show? Students in grades 9, 10, and 11 are invited to submit 1 to 3 pieces of artwork, and students in grade 12 are invited to submit up to 6 pieces of artwork to this year's art show. The window to submit artwork is through May 8th. Please label the back of each artwork with your name, your base camp teacher, and room number and grade level. Digital artwork must be submitted through a Google form. All artwork is due Friday, May 8th. Please see Mr. Flanagan in room 126, Ms. Calderon in room 127, or Ms. Salisbury in room 114 with any questions.
There will be an informational meeting for all of those interested in fall cheerleading at NAHS on Wednesday, May 6th at 5 p.m. at the high school.
And that is all we have for today, and
Go Big Red!